Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin's rising wedge, which is obviously a bearish signal. Also, Elrond had a huge inflow and Russia wants to replace one of their fiat holdings with crypto or digital assets. Let's start. So before we dive in, my name is Sabi and you should use a VPN. If you don't know which one, there is one in the description. Also, if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, everything is in the description. Or you can see my tag here, just tweet me, whatever you'd like. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and to comment something, because you help me triggering a YouTube algorithm. And yeah, I appreciate that a lot. We are at the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, we are facing again a rising wedge. Now, I don't think that this rising wedge will be the same as it was the other one, we know which one, in April, but this may induce a big drop back, a big drop down, a major correction or a minor correction, however you want to call it. But since it is starting from here, it might mean that we can go back to the 47,000s. Now, this kind of correction would not be unhealthy at all, and it would probably give a bigger boost, another boost for the market. Now, it does seem that if you don't break out from this rising wedge, then maybe this week or next week, if you continue like this, we could reach the all-time high, which is only $2,000 away. And just to measure it, just to show you how fast it could come, Bitcoin needs only 3.5% jump or rally, if you can call that rally, to reach the all-time high. In the meantime, the New York Stock Exchange files Form 19B to convert Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust into an ETF, and that will appear on the New York Stock Exchange as BTC. Therefore, things are going smoothly, things are going forward, and it seems that the futures is already approved. Now we only need to wait for the spot ETF, and that will probably bump the price. Okay, let's go forward and check what is happening in Ethereum village. And as you can see, it is kind of following Bitcoin again. It couldn't go over the 4,000, but yeah, that is what I reported yesterday as well. Now we are looking at the daily charts, and what I can see on Ethereum is a weak signal. I don't see too much buy pressure. Volume is constantly depleting for, yeah, sometimes I would say from May. Yeah, but anyhow I cannot say that this is a big volume and that this will help us to go for the all-time high again, which I really would like to see. Therefore, yeah, I'm hoping that investors will reinvest something in Ethereum, because right now everyone is focusing on Bitcoin, and the reason no one is buying anything, altcoins, Ethereum, anything, is because Bitcoin is showing some weakness right now, because it had this bigger rally and everyone is expecting it to fall back, to drag all the altcoins with him, and then everyone can buy the dip. Elrond, well, I had a scare today with Elrond when I opened the Growth Elrond site, because as you can see, let me go there, we have a huge inflow, and that is 2.5 million, which is huge. It's 13% of the total supply, which would mean that if this would have happened, then the price, I think, a minus 60%. But I checked the price obviously also, and this $226 is pretty normal, it's pretty healthy. Now everything is going down, and Elrond from yesterday had a minus 1.5% drop. So I do think that this is only some kind of bug, some misinterpretation. I didn't went into this too much, so if you have any information, just leave it in the comments, because I'm very curious to see or to hear what has happened. I also checked the circulating supply, so there was no coin drop on the market, and as you can see in the exchange volume here, you can see that big jump. Therefore, probably the problem is only with the indicator, so no worries about this. Last news today, Russia aims to replace US dollar reserves with digital assets in long term, because as they can see, US dollars is losing its value, it's going lower and lower, the debt ceiling is raised, US as government enters in bigger and bigger debt, and the dollar value is dropping. Now Russia already stated a couple of times that they are going to replace some of their, let's say, currency reserves with Chinese yuan, I don't know how to pronounce it, doesn't matter. But now they also said that they will also use digital assets to replace the dollars they have, and probably that's crypto, I mean, what else? So yeah, this is good news and also funny news, because yesterday just said Putin that he doesn't see in the near future that all companies could pay with crypto for crude oil or natural gas. But yeah, things change from one day to another. This is the crypto world, so yeah, get used to that. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content, hit the like button because you help me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you want to get notified when I upload the next video, which is tomorrow. See you then.